It's video time again.
See, mister, I can see the wheels. You needed that F at the end.
Okay, I can still see the wheels though. We are in Tarrant, Alabama. This is a 1941 Porter. 1941 Porter, but yeah, I can see it now. That looking at the wheel designation, so we come over here. This is a special train. It's an 040F, which means it's got Christmas lights on it. It's fireless, which means there is no firebox. This is one of those that they would fill up full of steam at the plant. See, we're in Tarrant. It'd fill up at the plant, it would go do its job, and then when it run low, they'd go to a certain area and they'd fill up on steam again. Watch the mud. Okay. Oh, look at that. HK Porter. Says it on the front. Oh, there's a lot of mud over on the other side. Go over here. Around the, I saw the rain came through yesterday. Dulcedo Mining Company. I'm not really sure what that is. But, so they probably had some, it was in an area of explosives or toxic fumes and things like that. That's where they used the fireless trains. So there wouldn't be no fire to ignite anything, just for safety reasons. Well, here that is. That's why the cab is, if you look up in the cab, it's basically just a throttle and a brake. I don't know where they fill it up with steam. I'm gonna look around, take some more pictures of that. Maybe I can find it. Okay, but that's that little train too. I like the fireless ones. I like the ones that are special in some kind of way. All right, so I'm gonna stop here and start taking pictures. All right, thanks guys.